Okay, we're at Temora for a shakedown of the new bike. There's a couple more things I need to do to this bike to get it ready. There's a bit of a rush on Friday to get everything done. So I'll just quickly finish those things off, put the settings in it that Franco's recommended, and then we'll get riding. It's been a hot minute since we've been here. A real long time.
Are you going to describe the track?
Hard oil track. It is like bitumen, this stuff.
This is where Tom grew up.
This is the old stomping ground.
And this is where we actually very first met ever. Back when we were 14 and 15.
14, 15, yeah, we were young.
And I actually, I broke both my arms here. When, how old was I? Maybe 15?
15, I'd say,
It was
16.
literally like on these bumps here.
It can be a very unforgiving track sometimes when you hit the ground.
You don't want to fall off.
But it's really grippy if you have the right setup. The grip's insane here, surprisingly.
The plan to start is to go slow to be fast, I reckon.
Just take it easy on the new bike and get the feel for it.
First time with the new setup
Yep.
and the brand new bike, so
Shakedown.
we'll see what the day presents.
She's bumpy.
Couple of braking bumps. Pretty tight turn.
The fork guards they hit the tyre because the tyre's so wide, so I just got to trim them up a bit. It's probably not something I want to be doing at the track right now, but I ran out of time, so it is what it is, and it is freezing cold. Alright, we'll test fit that. Still no good. Take a little more still. There's gonna be nothing left of this guard by the time I finish with it. But hopefully that should do. Bolt it on and we'll see how we go. It's so cold here, it's freezing. So I'm just going to put the settings in the bike that Franco's recommended. Going to change the fork height, set the clickers, set the sag. I've also got another rear wheel to put in it because the rear tyre on this bike's not recommended at this track, and someone's very kindly lent us a wheel to put in there. Yeah, we'll get into it. Pulling our wheel out to put the other wheel back in. Just going to swap the sprocket over. Hopefully it doesn't fall off the stand. I think it's about to. Okay, just about to set the sag on the bike. I've just set this sag scale to 0. Laurie's going to hold that for 2 seconds while I pull the bike off the stand. And then Laurie's going to sit on it. And where are we? Probably need to take some spring out of this. It's got a little bit, doesn't have quite enough sag. Alrighty, let's do that. Can I hold that again, please? This bloody stand. Okay. Okay, just taking 2 turns off. Just make sure this is at 0 again. Which it is. There you go. Righty. And we are bang on. Look at that, that's lucky. Bang on from where Franco recommended. Sweet. All right, you gonna up there? Oh, I got it. Sweet, I'll lock that nut up. Sweet, that's done. Last but not least, better check the tyre pressures.
So I just went out, and I don't know if I'm like expecting too much of a brand new bike, but it was really hard to change gears.
Yeah, it'll be tight. Your gearbox will be tight.
Yeah. So I think I'm asking too much of it too soon. If that makes sense. Like, so it was really hard
and you need to get used to the hydraulic clutch. You're not using the clutch.
Do I?
Are you using the clutch or not?
Well, I had to change the gear.
Yeah,
otherwise,
I'd say it's because the gearbox is still tight, it's still new.
Okay, so I need to keep using it then.
Yeah, you need to get the gearbox bedded in.
Okay, I didn't use the back brake at all. It was all front brake.
That's alright.
So I don't know if I need to try and do both or not.
just whatever feels comfortable for you at the moment.
Otherwise, it was like hard to turn, but I know that that's always the case with the 19s.
Yeah, I'm going to check the sag again. I think it was a little bit low from what Franco recommended, so that's why I want to check it now with all your gear on.
Yeah, otherwise it was good.
Alright, you want to check it? Yeah, so we're bang on there now, where Franco recommended.
You went past the red flag twice.
Did I?
Yeah.
Fuck, I was into it. Took us avoiding the others. It was a bit scary out there.
Yeah. What did you think?
I think the gear lever needs to come up. I think that's why you're having a hard time to change gears.
Okay.
That's what happened to me.
That's a bit hot. It's nice actually.
I don't know, it feels mint. The suspension feels sick.
Yeah, it's
it
good.
It drives nice.
Even without a steering dampener, it's good.
Yeah, it's fucking good as.
Yeah.
It's unreal actually.
Yeah.
Franco's done an unreal job.
One of the kids just bum.
So we just take the bike for a ride. Lori rode it and then I rode it. And she complained about the gears being hard to change, and I think it's the gear lever is too low. So I'm just going to bring it up a notch. Okay, we're just on the way home from Temora. We've got a 2.5 hour drive ahead of us to get home, but it's a good day.
Yeah,
We did a lot of laps. Even I had a ride.
Yeah.
You had a ride?
Yeah, it was good. Bike was good. You made the changes at the start, but then after that you really only checked a few things.
Barely changed anything,
So it was pretty good from the get-go.
Bike was good.
Yeah,
It was unreal how good it was. Franco's nailed the suspension, I think. Yep.
Yeah, now we just need the rider to be fitter.
Yeah.
What's next for the bike?
Take it back to work. I give it a wash. Got to change the oil in it, and then stickers.
Sticker kit? Exhaust pipe?
Exhaust if it turns up in time. Not sure if it will.
Yeah, it's been on back order for a month, hasn't it?
Yeah, it might turn up. I think it is due in. But other than that, the steering dampener mount will be here finally this week as well.
Yep.
And if all goes to plan, we got a whole titanium nut and bolt kit to go through this bike.
If we're lucky.
If we're lucky. Yeah. So
See you next time.
see you next time.
Over and out.